there? Are you fasting for Ramzan, for Navratri and other festival? Well, it is injurious to your health, especially physically, mentally and socially. That's what people say. Let's break some fasting myths. There has been research done, comparative study between people who are fasting and non-fasting, between 42 males and 26 females, and they did check that there was reduction in weight and increase in their glucose level because they were fasting, of course. But when they compared the other parameters like their HDL level, LDL level, protein, sodium, potassium, urea, triglycerides, they even checked the male hormones, testosterone level, and female hormones during their menstruation, as well as they even checked it did not impact the lactating mothers. So decide, is fasting harmful physically? Yes, it may be if it is being sold to you by the weight loss industry as intermittent fasting, not when it is done for holistic benefit. Does fasting help you increase your lifespan, and does age reversal? Let's understand. There has been a research done that if fasting is done for approximately 28 to 30 days for 13 to 16 hours once in a year, that's exactly the period of Ramzan, which happens once in a year, it helps in killing the carcinogenic cells because it helps in increasing the T cells, which helps you improve your immunity. So the benefits are, it helps you in autoimmune disorders, asthma, cancer, cardiovascular diseases, respiratory disorder, ENT disorder, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, acidity, migraine, multiple benefits. So choose fasting for the right reason, for benefits. Don't get stuck in certain fad diets. Can you fast when you're sick? Well, if you have type 1 diabetes that is insulin dependent, then you should avoid because it may develop ketosis. But if you have type 2 diabetes, you can definitely fast under the guidance of your doctor. You should read a book by Alan Cott, Fasting a Way of Life. In that he mentions even animals and plants fast. In fact, during winter, certain animals like frogs, they go into hibernation, and during summer, plants fast because they are not getting the natural source of water, rain. Correct? If you have pets, you must have seen your dogs, cats, even street dogs and cats, they throw up, they puke out if they have eaten something wrong. In fact, you'll remember when you were a child, you would stop eating if you were sick. Fasting really helps you heal better. Is fasting bad for your mental health? There has been a research done in Europe that fasting has benefits on the digestive system and nervous system. Nervous system is your mind. As well as there has been a research done in Iran where it was done in a rehab, where people were made to fast for 30 days. It was a comparative study, and they found out that during fasting, during that phase, people were going through so much discipline that it impacted their taste buds, and they could give up addictions, cola, junk food, cigarettes, alcohol. And if they could do it for 30 days, they could continuously do it. So this is the impact on the mind, on your mental health. So when you do fasting, do it for the right reason. Is fasting harmful socially? I'll share my personal experience. During the month of Ramadan, I've always had friends, colleagues come over for iftari, that is the meal we have after breaking the fast, irrespective of the faith and religion. Even in the mosque, people pray shoulder to shoulder, irrespective of the social status. So it brings people together. Even during Eid, people come together and celebrate, irrespective of their religion. It is a cultural celebration. Eid, Navratri, all these things, they bring the community together. So it is good for social harmony, certainly not harmful. If you have any personal experience about your cultural festival during festivals during fasting, comment below. Is fasting good spiritually? I'm going to share a quote from scripture, Surah Al-Majah. It is a book of hadith for and in that it is mentioned, son of Arab, your stomach is an evil vessel which you constantly keep filling in. For a man to stand on his feet, he needs few morsels of food. 1/3 for food, 1/3 for water, 1/3 for breath. It is a research which has been done by an American scientist where he mentioned Prophet Muhammad was one of the most intelligent physicians because he compulsorily told his followers to fast for 40 days once in a year, so that would help them to release all the toxins, and it helps in increasing their lifespan by managing a lot of illness and diseases. And if you have any further question, feel free to ask me. I'm Noshina Sheikh. All the information I have shared, it comes from the place of experience, knowledge and research, because I am a student of comparative study of religions. I am a master's in yoga and Indian philosophy, Ayurveda and practicing Islam. Hey there, I'm going to teach you secret yogic pranayam if you are fasting, especially dry fasting during Ramadan. So we are going to learn Shitali and Shitkari. First, Shitali. In this, you roll your tongue. Inhale through your tongue, exhale through your nostril. Keep some saliva in your mouth so that your mouth is moist. It will help you cool down further. You'll immediately feel cooling sensation in your mouth, throat and transcending it through your body if you practice it continuously. Now there are some people who can't roll their tongue. It needs a different kind of flexibility. So you can practice the second pranayam, Shitkari. Smile and inhale through your teeth, exhale through your nostril. This is really helpful during summer as well. So a lot of you are asking, what are you supposed to eat while fasting? I'm going to share what I have. During Ramadan, we are supposed to eat before sunrise and eat after sunset. My day starts at 4 a.m. I have a healthy, nutritious shake. In that, I don't have milk. I make it in water. I add lots of fruits in it, seeds, nuts, dates, and I add 1-2 scoop of protein powder because I am working out throughout the day. I am teaching yoga, so my muscles have wear and tear, so it needs right amount of protein. After that, throughout the day, I am not eating anything. It's a dry fast. We don't drink water as well. I break my fast around 7:15 or so after sunset. Around that time, I break my fast with a date, 2 dates, a glass of water. I have lots of fruits. Then I do my prayers. After that, I have my dinner. My dinner is simple dalia. That's all. I'm done for the day. I finish the rest of my prayers. I go to sleep early, and then same routine continues. So what you can do is you can follow similar routine, or else at least avoid anything which is junk, fried food. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. This is Noshina Sheikh, your friendly neighborhood yoga coach. Have a great day. Happy fasting. Follow the series. Watch all the videos of fasting. Take care. Bye. Follow for good content. DM to start yoga. Link in bio.